Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna do another landscape painting. A little bit of mountains, some trees. We're gonna try to make something happen with the sky. But first I'm gonna start by laying out some black where mountains are gonna be. We're going to end up doing the whole sky over that, and then we'll shape in the mountains with just a plastic grocery bag. Take a really dark blue to start out with. Actually, we'll go with some light colors first, put some streaks in the sky. Going with the dark blue. I'm going to paint right over the black with this dark blue and help me shape in the mountains later. I'm going to mist a little bit of a lighter blue in here and there. I just took, this is just one solid piece of poster board. Here's the other half, and I just tore it right down the center. It's kind of like I make a cloud stencil or whatnot, but I just want some straight lines. Gives it a kind of cool effect. I don't know. We're just trying things as we go here. So now I'm going to take my plastic bag, kind of crumple it up a little for texture, go in and etch in our mountain. We're going to go back in with the black and kind of shade the bottom there of these mountains. I'm going to take white, I'm going to mist along the bottom. I'm just spraying right underneath it so the overspray kind of gets on there. Get a little bit on the I gotta find a couple paint brushes. I'm gonna make just a few little trees here and there, not too many. Kinda wanted the sky to be the main focus of this painting. So let me find some brushes real quick. Alright, got a couple different brushes, fan brush, straight brush, and my container to throw some black paint down in, and we'll start laying out a couple trees. I'm just spraying black in the container. Brush on a couple tree trunks with my straight brush here. Crooked little one. Here. A little guy there. We'll just do a couple on the other side here. Alright, now I'm going to take my fan brush. Actually, I'm going to start it out with a straight brush, make my life a little easier. Just laying out a couple pine trees. You don't really need a fan brush, you can do the whole thing with the straight brush, but just goes quicker with the fan brush. Just now that I got some base laid out, I can just have at it with the fan brush and lay it out pretty quick. Now if you want a little more defined tree and not getting like grayish, if you want it just black, let the whole thing dry before you go in. It's picking up a little bit of that white. There we go. One tree down. Let's start this next little guy out with the straight brush again. Finish it up with the fan brush. Alright, a few more trees to go. I know this part of the video is probably very boring to watch, but end result looks alright. if there's any kind of questions or anything you have, please leave it down below in the comment section. Love to answer any kind of questions. And I'm hoping someone tries painting one of these and lets me know. A little more black paint in my container. On to the very last tree. Then after that, put gloss clear coat over all my paintings. Gives a very nice shine to it. Protects it all. Then I got this, I don't know what it's called. I don't know if it's some kind of pointy device. You can use a nail, screwdriver, anything. After you clear coat it, you can scratch in a signature. Alright. Happy with the way that turned out. We'll get the clear coat, hose that down, throw a signature in it. Desperately low on clear coat. Like I'll be going to the store to get more of that. Put the signature down. We'll take one last look at it. Here we have it. Nice little sky of landscape painting. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. So we will see you next week.